In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to recover deleted reels on Instagram. This is essential for preserving valuable content, especially if the reels contain original ideas, creative projects, or moments that hold personal significance. To restore back your reels, simply head to Instagram. Now let me delete one of my reels. Now to recover it back, simply tap onto these 3 lines on your profile page. Inside How to Use Instagram, head to your activity. Now inside the section of Removed and Archived Content, head to Recently Deleted. You will see all deleted reels right here. To restore them back to your profile page, just head to the reel. Tap onto these 3 dots and select Restore. Your deleted reel will get restored back onto your profile page. Well, that's how easy it is to restore back deleted reels on Instagram. And if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.